In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix hardware and devices troubleshooter missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Okay, click on the start button and go to settings. Then you have to click on system, scroll down and click on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters. So here we can't find the hardware and devices troubleshooter, but there is a way on how we can get into the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So for that, just simply go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator on the right pane. And simply paste this command. This will be posted in the description section of this video. msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. Device diagnostic is just one word and there is no space in between, and hit enter. And this will lead you to the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, hardware and devices, find and fix problems with devices and hardware. So in order to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter, just simply click on the next button and this will start detecting problems on your Windows. And then you just have to simply follow the on-screen instructions and then follow the suggestions and recommendations, and this will fix the issue for you. So this is how you can get into the hardware and devices troubleshooter if this is missing on your Windows 11. And also you can simply access to the other troubleshooters. So click on system and you have to click on troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. And here you'll find the other troubleshooters for audio, network and internet, printer, Windows Update, and the bits or the background intelligent transfer service, Bluetooth, camera, the PCT or the program compatibility troubleshooter, video playback, and the Windows media player. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.